Hello everyone! Today I will show you how easy and simple it is to make marzipan, which is so difficult to find in stores, especially of good quality. Real high-quality marzipan consists of at least 50% almonds, and it's even better if there's 70%. Marzipan is made up of only two main ingredients, almond flour and powdered sugar. But it gets its taste from the almond essence, so choose the high-quality kind since it defines the final taste of the marzipan. Let's get started. Here we have high-quality almond flour and sifted powdered sugar. Water can be substituted with strong alcohol like cognac, rum, or amaretto, and you will also need almond essence. First, mix the sugar and flour. Add your liquid ingredient and about 10 drops of the flavoring. Below the video, you will find a list of the ingredients with the necessary amounts. Knead the mass to a dense plastic consistency resembling Play-Doh. Now your marzipan is ready. Quick and easy. Roll out a sausage, wrap it in cling film, and put it in the refrigerator. You can also store it in the freezer. Marzipan is great in so many desserts, especially Christmas stolons. It's incredibly delicious and will add zest to your pastries. So I hope your marzipan will come out perfect. It will be great to hear what you've prepared with your marzipan, so feel free to share in the comment section. See you soon. Bye-bye.